What's going on, guys? Tony here again. 2017 Renegade. We're going to be doing the cabin filter. It lives right here. In order to get there, we got to drop the glove box. Let's go ahead and finish taking it out. You're only going to need a Torx 25 bit and a 10mm socket. It's your T20 right there. And then there's a little Phillips right here. Pop that one out. Once that comes out, gently whole thing comes out like so. Look at all that COVID in there. Discard the old one, grab your new one, put it back in. We're gonna put the little cover back on. What's up? I needed both hands to put that thing back in there. One can only do so much with one hand. If you don't believe me, ask your girlfriend. Put your Phillips in there. A lot of people don't put that in there, and it's important to know that when you don't and you turn on your HVAC, you might hear whistling noises, and that's not good. Go ahead and put your bracket in there. And your Torx. And you have 1, 2, 3, and 2 underneath it. Put it back in there, and that's it. These are the 2 bottoms, and that's the one on the side. Pop this baby back in there. Holy schmeckle. Call it a day.